Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to setting up a network file system on Debian 12. It's a crucial step for enabling persistent storage in Kubernetes cluster, but I will show you how to configure Kubernetes node to access shared storage with NFS in future video. But in this video I will show you only how to configure and install NFS server on Debian 12. Let's go ahead and start to install. In first step you have to ensure that your system is up to date. Let's go ahead. With command apt-update and apt-upgrade. Done. Next step, I install NFS server with command apt-install NFS server kernel package. Now we have to create shared directory. I use data sudo ls -l folder data. Next step, we ensure proper permission so that client can read and write data in my folder data NFS. With command, we do this with command chown and do permission 3777 to this folder. So now I will show you how to configure NFS exports. Let's edit file tc exports to define which directories are shared with what permissions. Here I paste my following line. Here is a star. It means that all subnets can connect to our NFS server. You can define your specific subnet here instead star. For example, 133 IP address, or maybe like something like subnet with prefix 24, for example. But in my environment test lab I will use star all. All clients, NFS clients, can connect from all networks to my NFS server. So let's save it and apply configuration by exporting the shares with command export -r sudo export fs -r. So let's check it with -v. Here's one, all options is have exported. So, and in next step, just enable to boot our NFS server when you start your system, and let's start servicing NFS server. Let's check it status of service. It's ready, active, working now. So if you have some firewalls, you have to open two ports, TCP 2049 and 111 port. Let's test our server with client. I will use a Rocky Linux for this purposes. Rocky Linux has package NFS utils for these purposes for NFS clients. Let's install it. Install NFS utils -y. If you use Ubuntu or Debian, you have to install NFS common package. So create a mount point for the testing, paste. Let's show you if there isn't any files in data NFS folder. And now let's mount directory Rocky Linux client to NFS server on Debian -o. Now we have mounted NFS server to client. So let's create a file from client and see if this file appear in our server. Now we have file. You see, we have files, test file. Let's read it. See, we have our NFS server with file test file and with that contain string of NFS test. So that's it. In next video I will show you how to deploy NFS client, provision or use CSI driver NFS for Kubernetes. Thank you all who likes my video. I appreciate it. See you next video. Bye bye.